Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your iPad. Before you begin, always back up your important data to iCloud or a computer to save your photos, apps, and documents. Next, sign out of your Apple ID in the Settings application, which removes the device's association with your account. Then, unpair any connected accessories, like an Apple Pencil or a Bluetooth keyboard, ensuring a clean slate for the new owner or your next use. This essential preparation takes only a few minutes. To start the actual erase, open your Settings application. Tap on General, then scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPad. Choose Erase All Content in Settings, which is the option to completely wipe your device. Your iPad will then prompt you to enter your device passcode, followed by your Apple ID password to confirm your intent. This security measure prevents unauthorized users from wiping your personal data, keeping your information safe until you confirm. The process is straightforward. After confirming with your passwords, tap Erase one more time to initiate the wipe. Your iPad will restart and display an Apple logo with a progress bar, indicating that all your data and settings are being permanently removed. The duration of this process varies, but typically takes anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the amount of data stored on your device. Ensure your iPad remains powered on during this crucial phase, ideally connected to a power source to prevent interruptions. Once the erase process is complete, your iPad will automatically restart and present you with the initial Hello setup screen. This screen confirms that all personal data, settings, and apps have been securely and completely wiped from the device. You can then confidently sell, donate, or pass on your iPad, knowing your private information is no longer accessible. It's always a good practice to briefly go through the initial setup to ensure everything is factory fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.